That went a little bit crazy. Always wear I could wear here in New Jersey, again with coral, and they were great to wear at Epcot. I just think it's adorable. You can never have enough pajamas, matching top and bottom, so this will be great for our June trip. I don't know how this is gonna look. There's different variations. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to show you everything I bought from my most recent online purchase to the Gap factory. So I don't know, I'm running out of Disney content here, but I do have some Disney items in here, which is why I'm showing it on my blog. So without further ado, let's get going. Alright, so I'm opening all this. We got a whole box. Let me show you what we're working with here. I might have went a little bit crazy. I'm going to just put it down here. See if I can make it through without my camera overheating. Alright, so I think this was actually a pajama set. This is like a navy, of course we don't have the names on here, but I don't know if you could see, it's got like the, I'm like totally blanking out what that technique is called. It's like a piqué. Anyway, so I got this little tank top, and then I believe there should be a pair of matching pants in here as well. So we'll see if I could come to that. Yeah. So these are the matching pants. I just thought they were so cute for pajamas. So it's the same. I don't know that I would necessarily, because they are, you could tell they are kind of see-through, but to wear at home, I think they're so cute. So, and they're honestly like so soft, and they're going to be super comfortable. So I think they're very cute, like cute little lounge wear. All right, let's see the next one. So by the way, if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom. I have a 3-year-old daughter named Lucia. We go to Disney quite a bit. I have an annual pass, so you'll find a lot of vlogs on my channel. So if you're a Disney-holic and you like to watch people's vlogs or hotel room tours from the Disney resorts or Disney vacations, Disney tips, Disney tricks, all the things, you're gonna wanna hit that subscribe button. Let's get back to the video. All right, so I got my toddler this cute little Minnie Mouse sweatshirt, and it's got the Gap logo on the arm here. But yeah, super cute. I usually buy her one of these every year, the little sets, just because they're great to wear on the plane, they're great to wear at school, and I have to take advantage because I think once she reaches 5 and she grows out of these things, I don't think they're gonna come with the hoodie ears anymore. So definitely just so adorable. And I got us some matching, let's see what this is for. I do have a gift for one of my friend's daughters in here, so I can't show you guys that because she does watch my channel. But okay, so I got some matching, like a matching set. I got this, so we're going back to Disney in June. I feel like I don't know if I'm gonna get a use out of this. I might have to wait, but it's one of those things you could always wear. I could wear here in New Jersey. So it's like this coral Gap sweatshirt with Minnie. This is mine. You could tell already it's a little bit cropped for me. It's not bad, just I have a long torso, so I prefer like longer length, but this still will be fine over a pair of like black bike shorts or black leggings. So super cute, or even, yeah, like I said, little bike shorts to, you know, I could just easily wear this over like a tank top when we go to Disney maybe in June, and just wear it on the plane and call it a day. So I got, it does come with these shorts. Well, it doesn't come, I bought them separately, but they have these matching shorts, again with coral, with the same Minnie logo. These did come in other colors. They had like a navy blue, which I also was kind of gonna like. They might have had a yellow. Yellow's not my color, so I didn't go for that. They probably had a black, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, If you're looking for some little outfits to wear to Disney or for the plane or for your vacation, you might want to check Gap Outlet out. All right, so sticking with the same theme, like I said, my daughter, I got her a matching set so we could wear this and be matchy-matchy on the plane. So super cute, and same coral color. This hoodie didn't have the ears on it, but it's still pretty cute. And I have to say, it's pretty lightweight. Let me see. I feel like the adult one's a little bit heavier, but it is kind of like a lighter weight sweatshirt, so it might be actually good to wear on the plane in June when it's cold. We are leaving, I think our flight this particular time is at like 6 in the morning or something, so yeah, I think it'll be good. We could wear those. All right, I believe somewhere I should have ordered her matching. Oh yeah, here's the matching shorts for her as well. And I think I should have got them in a 4. Yeah, I got them in a 4. So super cute. And again, like regular price, these are like 30 bucks, but I don't spend that kind of money. Everything you got here was way majorly on sale, plus 50% off discount. I don't remember exactly how much I spent, but these are all things we needed. Well, maybe not me, but my daughter, she's growing, we needed these things. All right, then I got some linen shorts so I could potentially maybe wear these this summer when we go. I picked some sage green ones up last year and I thought they were so comfortable and they were great to wear at Epcot, like paired with like a white t-shirt or something. So this is like kind of like a fuchsia hot pink. I don't know if it's coming out right on the video, but they're definitely super comfortable. Now, like, I do want to, word of caution, if you're at Disney and going to the parks, you're going to want to pick up chafing gel to put in your legs, because the inseam here is kind of a little bit on the shorter side, so your legs will be rubbing together. But I think they're great for going to Disney, super breathable and just really cute. So I also got the same pair in a different color. I got it in this cobalt blue kind of color. I don't know what they're calling it on their website, but I'm calling it cobalt blue. So this would be cute for like a Snow White, to be like Snow White-esque. What else could you do? You could just be Americana, wear this for the Memorial Day, for 4th of July. I'm trying to think what other princess, I don't know. That's what I would do anyway. And like I said, just pair it with like a white top or maybe a yellow one if you're trying to be Snow White. All right, then let's see, I got a pair of flip-flops because you can never have enough. They seem to get dirty or bad, so these were like $2 or something. I just got a pair of pink ones, and they have like a rose gold stamp that says Gap on them. Regularly priced, these were $8.99, but I can tell you I think I pay like $1 or $2 for them. So super cute, comfortable. I could wear them either when I go to Disney, like in the hotel room, or I could just wear it at my house or at the beach. So yeah, super cute. And to be honest, if you go to like Walmart or Target nowadays, you're not gonna get flip-flops cheaper than that anyway. So I don't know, go pick up some cute ones. Apparently I also got black, just realizing. I just happened to look over, I'm like, oh, I also got black ones. So, black are a great staple flip-flop to have. So these have a silver Gap logo on them. So, growing up, one of our favorite Disney movies was 101 Dalmatians. We have like a big soft spot in our hearts for that because we used to have a Dalmatian dog when we were little growing up, and her name was Daisy. So that is like one of our all-time favorite movies. So when I saw this, I know that this kind of gives it like boy vibes, but being it that, I mean, whatever. I just think it's adorable, and I think my daughter might like it too, just because it has dogs on it. So this is a set, and you'll actually hear my dog walking in the background. He's also black and white, but he's a pit bull. He's not, and he's about to knock the camera over. Okay. So this was the matching bottom, so you can never have enough pajamas if you have a little kid. So super cute with all the little Hunter Wendell Dalmatians on that. So yeah, definitely just such a cute little set to wear. So that's from my daughter, and then I got her, let's see. Here, do you want to go back and sit down? Do you want to be in the vlog? I hear my dog in the background here. Come on, Becky. All right, so then I got some princessy set. It comes with the same matching top and bottom. There is like a little holographic, I don't know, like a little foil print, and it comes in different colors. I don't know if it's gonna come out in the video. But so adorable. I love their pajamas. They're really great quality. She's kind of at that stage though where she's not like crazy into wearing pants, so I usually tell her like, oh, it's cold, we gotta wear pants or whatever. So but yeah, just like got her a matching top and bottom, because if we're up to my daughter, she'd be wanting to wear a dress to bed every night. She's in that princessy phase right now. So I got her this in purple, and then I also got one in pink, which is a short sleeve version, and it has Snow White on it. So cute, so adorable. So this one comes with like little shorts. So this will be great for our June trip. Sometimes I just never know. Sometimes the hotel rooms are at Disney are either super hot or super cold. I find like I can never get the right temperature. So usually I'll just bring a mix, and depending how the room feels, we'll either wear like something lightweight or whatever. All right, what do we have here? Okay, we have another pair of pajamas. So this, I think a lot of these were on clearance. I got them from a great deal. That's why I bought so many. I believe that the Dalmatian one was a great deal, and I think this one was. The princess one I probably paid about $10 for maybe, but I believe that this one was on super clearance. So it's just cute. Minnie Mouse yawning, and it comes with matching little legging pants for bedtime, and it says Minnie Mouse on the leg. I don't know if you could see that, but trust me, it does. They look so tall too. I got her in a 4. She's kind of like in between sizes right now. She's like 3.5. Almost at the end of this. If you're still here, thanks for watching. We're almost done. All right, now I haven't tried any of this on because I'm just picking it out of the box, but this was a little set and I thought this was so cute. I don't know how this is gonna look on, so I'm gonna have to figure it out, but it's like a razorback tank top. Again, a little bit on the shorter side for me, so maybe if I could hike up the pants. But my thought process is this would also be like a good park outfit. It will be a good travel day video outfit. But yeah, so it does just really nice, great quality fabric, and this was on super clearance, and here are the shorts that are matching. Kind of like those 80 vibes or 70 vibes. Yeah, the little track shorts. So super cute. Again, I'm gonna have to try all this stuff on, but yeah, so cute. So we'll have to figure out what I do with that. Almost gives like lifeguard vibes too. All right, then this is oh, this was kind of like, they had these in different colors. It's kind of unusual. I don't know if you could tell this, like it's like a sideways knot. This is a large. It's looking quite big right now in the video, but I thought, and it's also very kind of like sheer, but I kind of thought that this would be like a nice t-shirt that you could kind of dress it up with pants, like if you were going to like a party or something, kind of casual, but you still wanted to kind of look nice. I kind of thought that would be nice. Now I don't know, because if you could tell, it is a little on the sheer side. I don't know. I was planning to try to wear this to work, but if it is a little bit see-through, I might not be able to, unless I put maybe like a blazer sweater over on top of it. But again, I think I got this for a super great deal. Again, check out the Gap outlet. I am not sponsored by them, but I do buy because I love Gap's quality and even Old Navy's, but definitely check out Gap outlet because great deals, great quality, low prices. All right, this is the last thing. If you've been watching my vlogs for a while, you know that I buy one of these for my daughter every year. And I'm gonna be so sad when she reaches the age of 5 and we're not able to buy these anymore because unless I get them somewhere else, but I've yet to find these in the adult section. But how adorable are these little shorts with Mickey and Minnie on them? They're so cute. They have different variations every year, but yeah, I usually buy them in the spring and then she wears them throughout. Like she'll wear them on our June trip, she'll wear them to school. Hopefully we're gonna go in September again. And so yeah, they're just great. And even her ones from last year, the ones that were size 3, they still are fitting, but then they get to be a little on the short side. So that's why I just went and sized up and got her the next size. But yeah, super, super adorable. You could put it with like a little white tank top. And this could also be like an off Disney Day, a Disney Springs Day outfit, travel day outfit. I have had her wear these before for travel day with like a long sleeve shirt or like a Spirit jersey. I've also paired them with a sweatshirt. So yeah, definitely I would pick these up. These might be closer to $20, but they're adorable and we get a lot of use out of them and they're just adorable. Just one of those items you have to splurge on. All right, that's about it for today's video. If you made it this far and we're not already friends, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to be notified for all future content. Give this video a like, it really does help to support the channel, and it also shows YouTube that people like you like my content, so they'll push out, and it really does help if you hit that like button. So we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.